Hi guys, Ingis76 here again with my FG 4x4 Beetle Buggy 1:5 scale. Today I'm going to have an update on the conversion from gasoline to brushless electric. I have got the ESC here now and tried to lay out everything to see for the best fit. I was thinking about having the ESC on top here, but I think I will have it down there since it takes so much room. I was also thinking about two batteries, but I'm going with one. It's 5300 milliamps, so I think I will have a good running time. I'm waiting for the motor to show up, so I have this in here now instead, and the motor will build about 10 centimeters. So as you can see, when I get the motor in, I will not have much room left. What I have done so far after the last video is taking out the throttle braking servo, this battery. I have cleaned up the box here, so now I only have the receiver in there connected to the steering servo. I've taken out the ESC from the rig, and this is a Trackstar 1:5 scale brushless ESC from Turnigy. It's capable of 8S. I'm only going to try to run 6S, as I have 6S in my Flux on HPI. So I'm gonna have a little look here. 8S max 200 amps continuous and burst of 1000 milliamps 1000 amps. There is no back in this one, so I have ordered a back as well. It's quite heavy, 346 grams, and the motor that goes in here weighs a little under 900 grams, so that's a little less than 1 kilo. And this battery does also weigh I think a little over 1 kilo, if I'm not wrong. Yes. One of this ESC came with 8mm connectors. I have changed out those from the battery to 6mm, the same type, and I have a parallel connection with the connectors for the batteries, because I was hoping to get two batteries in this, but I also have an possibility to run two 4S batteries in series, to connect them with these wires, not as one battery here, but one battery there with one polarity and the other with this and this and this. A little complex, but that will work also if I want to try 8S on this rig. So you can see this EC is quite big in my hand here, so it's taken up much room, as you did see earlier. Two fans and everything. Started with 4 cables, stripped them out, and I used the 6mm connector and 4 bullet plugs. I have these together now. This is the 6mm. They are soldered together, and these are 1/8 and 1/6, both 6. And this is what I came up with at the end. Yeah, I've been messing around a little bit, and I have this 6-volt battery. Going through some stuff from the old setup. So this goes into the receiver, and I have a voltmeter here. It's low on power. This is 6 volt and it's low. You can see that. And I have the steering servo connected to it. So I have steering, and I have the 6S battery connected to the ESC, so that is working. But I don't have any connection for the fans yet, so I might use a Y cable on this stuff here. So it might be that I don't need a back anyway, since I'm using this for the receiver. Yep. So instead of using the kit tray, I made my own tray out of a steel plate, and that seemed to work very good. I'll take off the battery and I'll show you. Okay, the kit comes with these softs with glue on the back side. I have one in here, but I have not glued it yet because I want to show you. So I have screws here, one there and one there, and another one there, and I drill holes and have the screws. See if you can. Yes, one there, one there, and one there, with nuts on the other side. And then I also have closed this hole in the chassis. So as I had, this one goes under here with the tape or glue on the other side, and I'm gonna have some on the sides, on both sides here too, to cut them out. And I will have the ESC on this side. The motor will come out. Bad light. See here. The motor will come out from here and go almost to the battery on the other side, so it will not come in conflict with the battery tray. And as I showed you, I have this mess here with the wires and everything, so I'll try maybe to get this to work without a back. So the next thing now will be to get a mount for the ESC. What I did was double-sided tape on the ESC, so now that sits very good. the battery tray as I showed earlier, and I have used this for the wiring for the receiver from the ESC and the fan. You can see here, black one is for the fan and the other one is for the receiver from the ESC. Program cable for the ESC here, and on-off switch there. They are zip tied together, and I zip tied the battery cables to this one. So this goes here, can go to the battery over there, and this is the zero cable, and I will sort those cables later in this box. And the battery is there, 6-volt battery. And I have something running here while I'm working. This is the same rig with the 26cc motor. Yes, this needs to be loctated down, and this gear needs to be changed. This box has to be sorted with cables and wires. I'm waiting for the motor, and after that this rig should be good to go, I think. So I'm not far now, just the motor is holding me up in the build. So this is how it's placed. And I have a roll bar or a cage, of course. I have more parts for the cage here. Goes over to the top and down. So this is as far as I've got now. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.